Hey friends, if you wish to enable hidden camera privacy indicator in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So open the registry editor, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, OEM and device. In the right pane, you will have to create a DWORD 32-bit entry named no physical camera LED. Right click, new, DWORD 32-bit value, no physical camera LED. Double click on it, change the value data to 1, hit enter. Okay. Now the camera LED has been disabled. Okay. So if you wish to enable it, okay, then go to the registry editor, back, and then double click on it and make it 0. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.